heck has just happened? Someone has been making a little blizzard. Someone has been driving snow straight into the camera. In Russian, to drive a blizzard means to say bullshit. This is a very informal expression, and you can only use it with someone to whom you say ты and whom you've known for a long time. Гнать пургу. Гнать пургу. Let's break it down. Under number 1, we have the verb гнать, to drive, to make move. Гнать is an imperfective verb, which means it indicates a process. Гнать is also a transitive verb, which means it requires a direct object. In this expression, the direct object is under number 2. Here we have a singular feminine noun, purga, blizzard or snowstorm, and as a direct object, purga is in the accusative case. Purgu, that explains the u ending, and this is where the stress goes. Гнать пургу. Гнать пургу. Now let's see how it works in a situation. Two women talk. One woman asks about the other woman's new boyfriend. «Ну, как у вас все с твоим новым молодым человеком?» «У нас все просто замечательно. Только Кирилл очень занят. Он же крутой айтишник. Кстати, на прошлой неделе ему предложили работу 3 международных компании. Он даже не знает, какую выбрать. Ой, Таня, не надо гнать пургу. Моя соседка прекрасно знает твоего Кирилла. Он работает помощником продавца в ее магазине одежды». That's all for now. In the comment section below, feel free to offer your translation of today's idiomatic expression. Also, yes, people do tend to brag and make things up. My advice, if you ever do that, at least you should гнать пургу in Russian, well, as a language practice. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and continue to the next expression. Спасибо!